you want to see how to get this Jigsaw inspired makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. I love the Saw movies, I'm a massive fan of them, and I just thought, you know, it'd be really fun to recreate Jigsaw's look. And I know it's been a popular Halloween look for a couple of years now, and I just really wanted to recreate it, so here's my version of it. And if you want to recreate this version, then just keep watching. Mwah. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. So this has been my Jigsaw tutorial. Obviously I've never ever done this before. I need a little bit of work on my spirals. It took me a little bit of time to get that quite right. It's quite hard actually to make them even. I didn't expect it to be so difficult, but I've actually really enjoyed playing around with this, and I actually really love this smoky eye. I've tried to make it a little bit glam by adding a little bit of glitter, and yeah, if there's any tutorials you want to see me do for Halloween, then just let me know down below, and I shall see you in the next one. Mwah. Thanks for watching.